So today we are going to be flying all the sizes of planes to our Luka airport, and we're going to see how big we can actually get. So we're starting off with this little Cessna. Okay, so we're going to head to the runway right now. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we are going to have a Cessna Caravan, an ATR, an ATR, an A320, and an A340, and a Boeing 777. Okay, now we're going to slam the brake here. And now, going to take off at Perth International, and we are going to a Luka airport. It's a very small one, but we're going to see how big we can actually get. Let's take off in a Cessna. Take off in a Cessna. Okay, now that we're in the sky, we can start making our way. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your email in the comment, so that means I can give you free flights. It's not a scam, because if I don't, if you guys unsubscribe to everything mean as you can to me. So we are approaching the airport, so I'm going to start pulling our throttle down. Okay, let's start taking our throttle down. Okay, we don't need to push back, and let's start at landing speed. And then once we land, we have landed, and let's take the throttle. Get up this hill. There we go. Now this plane is successfully landed to Luka. Okay. Now let's get another plane, which is the Cessna Caravan. Okay, so now we're going to take off from Luka Airport and try to land, because landing is always harder. So let's just get out of here and fodder up. Hey, for flying you need your fodder. Oh, nice interior. Very realistic interior. Okay, we'll see you once we take off. And we are going to take off very shortly, because the runway's right here. I might as well put our speed to full. What is this, plane? I forgot what happens, because I'm about 100 feet in the air. Okay, so now we're in the air. We are going to loop around this mountain and go back and land in the second. Okay, we're all lined up with this runway, and here we go. Let's take a photo down, photo down, photo down. Let's take and go up, because we don't want to hit the edge, don't we? And then go down. Photo at 0. Brakes on. Pushback fill. On pushback mode. Pushback fill. Yeah. Let's see if we can land successfully. We have landed successfully. Okay. Okay, so here's our next plane, an ATR. This time I choose the CB livery, my second favourite airline. Now let's hop in. Okay, I'll meet you at the runway. CB Pacific ATR ready for takeoff. All clear. Let's do the photo up to fill. And now we should be able to lift off. When it says speed up here, we can, like, when it says 150, we can start pulling up, which is about now. Start pulling it. And this plane is actually gears. Okay, we'll see you when we're at Luka. Okay, we're arriving at Luka. There's the runway. Let's take our throttle down, take our gears out, and make sure our throttle is down. 20. down to 800. Speed. Put up. We're gonna die. Okay, let's try that loop again. We're gonna mix that up. I had to do a go around because we crashed. Okay, now we're actually arriving at Luka Airport, and hopefully we can do it this time. Take our throttle down very slowly at a time. Effective. Altitude high. No wonder you want to be there. When we want to land, push back full. Wait, oh my god, what is this plane doing? Okay, so we have successfully landed. When it came into that taxiway, but something happened to the plane. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I was playing Flight Pilot Training Plus Simulator, and hopefully we see you again soon. Bye.